Everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about switch control, which is a part of UIKit. So it is very basic controls, the almost uh, we use in while developing our application. So let's suppose if user tap on this button, it will show one image called yes, and as it will off the switch, then it will be so show the user to no image. So let's go to assistant editor, and I already created an outlet for image. Now I need to create an action for switch, and make it to UISwitch. So now we'll check if sender dot is on, then image dot image is equal to should UI image of name type should be yes, or else let it to copy paste, else it will be for no. And I already added an image for these two, yes or no. First one is yes and no, image already implemented. Added to asset folder. So now check it. So as user tap on make UI switch to on, it that image should be yes, as no, yes and no.